Triad of wisdom: Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. The annals of history are adorned with the remarkable contributions of three extraordinary figures: Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle. Their interconnected journeys as teachers, students, and philosophers have profoundly shaped the course of Western thought and continue to influence contemporary intellectual discourse. Socrates, often hailed as one of the greatest teachers of all time, laid the foundational stones of Western philosophy. Born in Athens in 469 BCE, Socrates eschewed traditional forms of teaching, opting instead for a method now known as the Socratic method. Through relentless questioning and dialogue, he sought to stimulate critical thinking and illuminate underlying truths. Socrates' approach did not provide direct answers but encouraged his students to think deeply and independently, fostering a culture of inquiry and intellectual rigor. Among his most illustrious students was Plato, a young Athenian who would later become one of the most significant philosophers in history. Plato was profoundly influenced by Socrates' methods and philosophy. After witnessing the trial and execution of his mentor, Plato dedicated his life to preserving and propagating Socratic thought. He founded the Academy in Athens, one of the earliest institutions of higher learning in the Western world. Plato's works, primarily written in the form of dialogues, often featured Socrates as the central character, immortalizing his mentor's teachings. Plato's influence extended beyond his own era through his student Aristotle. Aristotle joined Plato's academy at the age of 17 and studied there for 20 years. While deeply respecting his teacher, Aristotle diverged from Plato in significant ways, particularly in his approach to reality and metaphysics. Where Plato emphasized ideal forms and abstract reasoning, Aristotle focused on empirical observation and practical knowledge. Despite their differences, Aristotle's work built on the foundation laid by Plato, encompassing a wide array of subjects including logic, ethics, politics, and natural sciences. The legacy of these three philosophers is monumental. Socrates' insistence on questioning and dialogue has permeated educational methodologies, emphasizing critical thinking and the dialectical process. Plato's vision of an ideal society and his exploration of justice, beauty, and equality have influenced political theory and moral philosophy. Aristotle's extensive treatises laid the groundwork for various scientific disciplines and established the principles of logical reasoning. Together, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle form an intellectual lineage that has resonated through the ages. Their teachings have been integrated into educational curricula worldwide, shaping the minds of countless generations. Their combined influence is evident in the development of Western philosophical traditions, scientific inquiry, and even modern democratic ideals. In essence, the Triad of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle represents a continuum of thought and pedagogy that underscores the value of mentorship, the evolution of ideas, and the enduring quest for knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on living a fulfilled life. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.